I wasn't ready.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. How you doing? You're fine? Oh, sweet. Nice to see you. My name is Nick Vujicic, and it's a pleasure to be with you. I have no arms and no legs, and I was actually born this way. And there's no medical reason why this had happened.
My dad was saying that he was, his head was next to my mum's head as I was being born. And he saw my shoulder, and he just went pale. He was hoping my mum didn't see me because he saw that I had no right arm. And my dad had to leave the room, and he couldn't believe what he saw. And the doctor came in, and my dad said, "My son, he has no right arm." And he says, "No, your son has no arms or legs." And he said he nearly fell on the floor. He couldn't believe it. I know that I won't probably have peace until you're in my heart, but I will not let you in my heart until you answer me, why? Why did you take my arms and legs? Why didn't you give me what everybody else has? A man was coming through a village, and a man, this blind man from birth, Jesus saw him. People said, "Why was this man born that way?" Jesus said, "It was done so that the works of God may be revealed through him." I have a choice to either be angry at God for what I don't have or be thankful for what I do have.
So I have no limbs, but I have my little chicken drumstick. And we call this a chicken drumstick because first of all, it looks like one. And second of all, sometimes my dog thinks it's one. And I tell you, man, it's so funny. He comes up to start biting on it, and I have to hit him in the head a couple times. It's nuts, man. And it's so funny when people see me for the first time. It's so cool. You're like, kids freak out. You know what I'm saying? I tell you, this little boy came up to me and he goes, "What happened?" And I went up to him and I go, "Cigarettes." And there was this one girl who saw me and she goes, "Mommy, look, it's an alien." So I went up to her and I went, "Raw," She's like, "Ah," I'm running after her saying, "I'm gonna eat you," Freaking her out. Anyway, look, we're gonna have some fun today, and I'm just gonna tell you the funniest story of all. It was so funny. I was in a car one day, and when you see me from the outside of the car, you have no idea that I have no arms and no legs, right? You just see my gorgeous face. And we're at the traffic lights one day, and this car comes up next to us, and this girl's looking at me, and I'm like, "Cool, let's have some fun here." So I know she has no clue that I have no limbs. And so I look at her and I grab the seatbelt in my mouth and I loosen it like this. And then in the car seat, I just did this. And she was like, "You're freaking me out, man!" It's very cool.
Meraviglioso. Ma come non ti accorgi di quanto il mondo sia meraviglioso, meraviglioso, perfino il tuo dolore potrà guarire poi, meraviglioso. Ma guarda intorno a te, che doni ti hanno fatto, ti hanno inventato il mare. Dici non niente, ti sembra niente il sole, la vita, l'amore, meraviglioso, il bene di una donna che ama solo te, meraviglioso, la luce di un mattino, l'abbraccio di un amico, il viso di un bambino. meraviglioso, 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 meraviglioso. Il mare, tu dici non ho niente, ti sembra niente il sole, la vita, l'amore, meraviglioso, il bene di una donna che ama solo te, meraviglioso, la notte era finita.
Родителей причисляли к детям, какие еще научить, им еще нет 2 месяцев.
I'm down here, face down, and I have no arms, no legs. It should be impossible for me to get back up. You see, I will try 100 times to get up, and if I fail 100 times, but if I fail, I try again, and again, and again.
Kneeling there in prayer, I felt His mighty saving power. When the Savior came into my soul, He called the
question was why? Why did you make me this way? And the answer was, do you trust me? And I thank God that He didn't answer my prayer when I was begging Him for arms and legs at age 8. Because guess what? Because I have no arms and no legs, He's using me all around the world.
Kneeling there in prayer, I felt His mighty saving power when the Savior came to my soul. He called the angry billow